Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to episode 7 of 8 for my earring tutorial series of just easy earrings that you can make as gifts or for yourself using the different bead boxes. So today, again, I'm going to be using the dollar bead box for 2024 of April. I loved this box. I got so much use out of it. So I'm starting with a number 10 beading needle and some of my Beetle on Wildfire in black. I know a lot of people like to screenshot this. So let me open up my window just a little bit more. I usually film, oh, there we go. Okay, that did make it brighter. Okay. Okay, so this is what I'm making today. These adorable earrings, and I'm using the number 3 fire polish beads, 3mm, the 4mm fire polish beads, some of the lentil beads, and some of those jet spinels, the little 2 to 2.5mm ones. And then I'm using a black ear wire. Like I said in the other video, I've been using the black ear wires when I make dark earrings with black beads in them, because I think they look a little more finished than if I was to use silver or copper or bronze or anything. So I'm going to start out with the lentil beads and the 4mm fire polish beads in between. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have about a half of a wingspan of thread on here. So we're going to start, let me move these over here. Let me move everything up a little bit out of the way so I can be in focus. Okay, so we're going to start with, let me just recount this just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. So 7. So we're going to do the lentil and then the 4mm fire polish bead. And we're going to do 7 of each. 2. I usually film like in the afternoon when there's no glare in my window. Okay. 4. 5. 6. I really polished through this this month's box. Okay, so I'm bringing it down to the end, and I'm going to tie a knot in it. Now, some people like to leave a longer tail and then thread it through. You can do that if you want to. What I do is, so I got that knot, and sometimes I do. I can't say I never do. It just depends. So with this, then I'm going through one more time. Going through all of them again to reinforce. Coming back out where the first knot was. Okay, so I've got that. And now I'm going to tie one more knot. So do 1. I'm going to do one more surgeon's knot. 1 and 2. Wait a minute. 1 and 2. I need to go around one more time. And 2. I give it a little yank. And then I cut it. Okay, so now we're going to be coming up through the lentil beads, and we're going to be doing a spinel, a 3mm and a spinel, and then coming around doing that. So here, I'm going to go through this lentil, come up. Oh, and I'm doing a spinel, a 3mm, and another spinel. And going down, coming up through the next lentil. So I'm literally stacking it on top of the 4mm one. Okay, so then I'm doing the spinel, the 3mm, another spinel. And coming up through there. Let me fix these. There we go. Spinel, 3mm, spinel. Hope everybody's having a good day. Okay, I'm going to do it again. A spinel, 3mm, another spinel. I just kind of make sure I go through them, pull them like that. Even if they don't fit perfectly, they've got a little ruffledness to them, that's okay. I think that's what's pretty about this earring. Kind of makes its own little unique shape in there. I do pull that up though and then do that. And we're going to do a spinel. This, another spinel. And go down through there. Okay, and I kind of pull that up to fit that in. There we go. So they all kind of sit in there like that. And then I'm going to do the last one. The spinel. Oh. Spinel. And another spinel. Okay. And go down. Okay. And now I'm going to try and there we go. So I pull that 3mm up then and then set that back. So then I pick up the 6 spinels like this and I go through, wait a minute, 1 second, let me see something. Yes, okay. And I go through the spinel right next to that. So it turns out to be 8. I go through that. Let me find the, okay, here we go. That's what I did wrong. Okay. Sorry about this. I'm going up like that. And then yes. Then I'm going through all of these. So it turns out to be 8. 1, 2, 3, because I used the 2 that were right next to that. Okay. second, I just saw that go ahead. This black on black is really like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and let me see if I can get through the last one. Nope, I gotta do it on my own. Okay, come back through here, and then come through the into a bead. Okay, that's what I did wrong last time. And now we're gonna go right here, coming out. I'm gonna go back through the lentil. So I went through there twice, and I have that done like that. Coming up through the back. So I'm going to okay. Do that, and I'm going to come out the fire polish bead. There we go. And the other spinel. And maybe the lentil, if I can get them all through there. No. There we go. Boy, those things are tiny. And it's because everything's black. It's like, including the thread. You're like, okay. Okay, so see how cute those are? So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go underneath the thread. I'm going to do one double knot. Make sure that it doesn't go over the other bead, but that it goes on top of that. And then I'm going to go through some more of these. Like that, just to get everything in there, like that. And then I'm going to trim that up right there. Look how cute that is. They kind of have that little, like, bubbly look to them. And then I'm just going to take this, I'm going to go right in the middle. Let me make sure that is the middle. Yes. And I'm going to close that up like that. And here is day 7 of 8. I think these look so cute. Using dollar bead box for April of 2024. And like I said, I have a code BN Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first order with them. And I will also leave links along with that and dollar bead box. I will leave links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook pages if you would like to follow me on there. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I have a lot of great tutorials coming up this year, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.